Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.